Now it is fourth part, C0 by 1 plus C2 by 3 plus C4 by 5 plus C6 by 7 plus and so on equal 2 to the power n by n plus 1. Since the nth term of this expression is unknown, then we simply expand the formula of NC0, NC2, NC4 and NC6. Means C0 is 1 by 1 and NC, firstly we write NC0, it is NC0, NC2, NC4, NC6 and so on. Now value of NC0 is 1 by 1 plus NC2 is factorial n factorial 2 n minus 2 by 3 plus factorial n factorial 4 n minus 4 by 5 plus factorial n factorial 6 n minus 6 by 7 and so on. Then this expression can be written as 1 plus factorial n by 3 factorial 2 n minus 2 plus factorial n by 5 factorial 4 n minus 4 and it is factorial n 7 factorial 6 and n minus 6. Now since we have to find 2 to the power n by n plus 1, n plus 1 means we divide and multiply whole equation by n plus 1, divide by n plus 1 and multiply it by n plus 1, we get n plus 1 plus n plus 1 factorial n by 3 factorial 2 n minus 2 n plus 1 factorial n 5 factorial 4 n minus 4 n plus 1 factorial n and so on. Now factorial n plus 1 means n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 C0. It is formula for n plus 1 C0. N plus 1 factorial n, it is factorial n plus 1. Factorial n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 factorial n. मीन्स अगर हम n प्लस 1 को बाहर निकालें तो ये n प्लस 1 और n प्लस 1 में से एक कम हो जाएगा, फैक्टोरियल n बन जाएगा. 3 factorial 2 can be written as factorial 3 and n minus 2 can be written as n plus 1 minus 3. It is n minus 2 on solving. N plus 1 factorial n is n plus 1 factorial 5. 5 into factorial 4 means factorial 5 and it is n plus 1 minus 5. N minus 4 can be written as n plus 1 minus 5. n plus 1 factorial 7 n plus 1 minus 7 and so on. Now 1 by n plus 1, n plus 1 is 0, it is factorial n. Now n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 c1. n plus 1 c0 means it is equal 1. Then n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 c1. We know that nc1 is equal n and nc0 is equal nc1 equal n and nc0 is equal 1. It is factorial n factorial r, n minus r means n plus 1 c3, n plus 1 c5, n plus 1 c7 and so on. The theorem nc1 plus nc3 plus nc5 nc7 sum of odd coefficients is equal 2 to the power n minus 1. Then our LHS becomes 1 by n plus 1. Value of n is n plus 1 and n plus 1 c1, n plus 1 c3, n plus 1 c5, n plus 1 c1 is equal 2 to the power n minus 1 and n is n plus 1, n plus 1 minus 1. Then it is equal 2 to the power n by n plus 1 and it is our RHS proved.